Did you know that there's a secret weapon for ear infections hidden right in your kitchen? Keep watching to find out what it is and how you can use it to find relief right at home. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of ear infections, and I'm going to share with you some amazing home remedies that can help ease the pain and discomfort. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Picture this, you're having a fantastic day when all of a sudden, it feels like there's a tiny drummer inside your ear relentlessly pounding away. That's an ear infection for you. They can hit you out of nowhere, and when they do, it can feel like your entire world is spinning. But fear not, my friend, because I'm here to share some tried and true home remedies that can help you get back to feeling like yourself in no time. First things first, let's talk about the magic of a warm compress. Gently pressing a warm, damp cloth against your ear for about 20 minutes can work wonders in reducing inflammation and pain. You might even call it a mini spa treatment for your ear. Now, let's move on to the magic ingredient I mentioned earlier. Remember how I said there's a secret weapon for ear infections hiding in your kitchen? Well, it's time for the big reveal. Drum roll, please. It's garlic. That's right, the same stuff that keeps vampires away is also fantastic for treating ear infections at home. Garlic contains a natural compound called allicin, which has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. To harness the power of garlic, simply crush a few cloves and mix it with a bit of olive oil. Warm the mixture slightly, then soak a cotton ball in it and gently place it in your ear for 15 to 20 minutes. You'll be amazed by how quickly you start to feel relief. Of course, we can't forget our fun fact for the day. Did you know that dolphins can actually suffer from ear infections too? That's right, our aquatic friends aren't immune to the discomfort of an inflamed ear. The more you know. So there you have it. A couple of simple yet effective home remedies to help you fight off those pesky ear infections. Remember, if your symptoms persist or worsen, it's always best to consult a medical professional. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.